People. So today we are going to be doing a life hack. If you don't have a microwave, you could just easily use one of these and put some popcorn in it, and it might work. This is our second try. The second try. You have to shake it above this, right there. You have to start shaking it, and it will work. How long? It could take up to 5 minutes, and yeah. This is my dad's second try. He did on the first one. It did come out a little good, but some of them got burnt. Just the ones from the bottom got burned, but the rest were just very good.
There we go. This one. They're popping.
They're popping. There we go. They're starting to pop, as you can see. If you want to try this, just go ahead. It might work and it might not, but at least for us, it is working. As you can see, they're starting to pop. Shake them for a few 2 minutes, and they'll start popping. Check it out. Whoa! Ouch! It burnt me.
It's hot.
It is hot, guys. So don't open it. You have to be very careful before you open it, because it is going to start popping up. I can see it worked. So you go ahead and try this at home, but you need help to do this. You need parents to do this, okay? So no, just not just kids by themselves. You have to do it with parents and supervisor. Turn it off. And there you go, guys. Bye.